So these pigs are,
Hey, what the dad one is dreaming.
I know, these are all resting. So they are pregnant for 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days, and then they deliver babies.
Uh-oh, spiders.
Yeah. So they're all pregnant. All these pigs are
But
pregnant.
the
So funny.
spiders web.
Huh? Yeah, they're just resting, enjoying.
But the spider web.
Oh, there are spider webs. Oh, yeah, you are right. See that?
Not good for mommy pigs.
I think they clean it because there are so many pigs. They periodically clean it. But I think the milk, the cows are much more. They clean it more often compared to the pigs. I'm thinking. I don't know.